The gun was pointed directly at Anthony Collins' chest. His killer pulled the trigger, but the gun did not fire, according to court documents. Collins would spend the last moments of his life trying to persuade that gunman not to kill him. It didn't work. The suspected gang member Collins' news from the neighborhood wouldn't stop after that first attempt in Collins' life, according to documents from Assistant State's Attorney Norah Gill presented in Cook County Circuit Court Monday, and Collins was pronounced dead that Sunday afternoon. In November 19, first, the man walked into Collins' home uninvited about 1:30 p.m., court records state. A group of Collins' friends were playing video games on a front, enclosed porch in the 1600 block of North Mango Avenue, when the gunman walked up the gangway of the home onto the front porch and then entered the unlocked front door unannounced. He made small talk with Collins. Then he pulled a 9mm handgun from the pocket of his hoodie. According to Jill's statement, that's when the gun didn't fire, so the gunman racked the slide on the gun and put it back in his pocket. Collins asked the man not to play with guns. The man with the gun asked Collins to go outside with him. Collins said no. He kept sitting on the couch on the porch, according to court documents. The man began to insist that Collins owed him money, and started demanding Collins pay him back, the document states. The gunman again removed the gun from his hoodie pocket. He again pointed it at Collins. Again, he pulled the trigger. This time, the gun fired and a single bullet struck Collins in the groin, officials said. Collins fell from the couch to the floor. He was moaning in pain, Jill's document states. The gunman apparently stood over Collins, with the handgun still drawn, and yelled at him. "Why did you make me do that?" According to the court document, Collins was taken to Loyola University Medical Center, where he was pronounced dead a short time later. An autopsy was performed and it was determined Collins was shot to death and his death was ruled a homicide, officials said. Witness statements and a body camera video admission of guilt led to the arrest of a local man, according to court documents. Court records show George Jernigan, 31, of the 1800 block of North McVicker Avenue, in the city's Galewood neighborhood, was charged Monday in connection with the first-degree murder of Anthony Collins, 30. Jernigan was ordered held without bail, according to information from the Cook County Sheriff's Office.